Hi everyone, welcome to Craft. Now in this video I want to talk to you about a few things. First of all, I want to talk to you about the ways you can support the channel. Then I want to talk to you about what's going on with YouTube. And then I want to talk to you about my ideas of the future. So right now you can support the channel by going on buymeacoffee.com and tipping me or becoming a monthly tipper, subscriber, supporter, whatever, like Patreon. You can go to my web shop and buy one of these pieces, or you can watch the videos, watch the adverts, and engage with the videos, or become a member on YouTube, or this or that. Now, I've been accused to be a hypocrite e-beggar under one of my videos by a couple of gentlemen, and that is one thing I don't want to be. I don't want to be an e-beggar. So I had a live stream yesterday, and I had an idea I wanted to run by you, and I got a very positive response to it in my live stream. So I decided to make a video and talk about this to a wider audience, to everyone who watches these videos. So if you made it this far and you haven't clicked away yet, would you be so kind to watch this completely and let me know in the comment section what do you think of the ways I want to monetize this channel? Okay? Please, because I want this channel to be no, I don't want to shill. I don't want to fucking shill out, okay? I'm happy to do sponsor spots for unrelated stuff or related stuff, whatever. But I don't want to have like hidden product placements and rebranded shit, or sell you everyday products with a miracle juice label. You know what I mean? It's like I would have a brand on camera all the time, which I would engage with every time. This water is refreshing. You know, I don't want to do this, seriously. So, jokes aside, I don't want to shill and I don't want to bag. Currently on buymeacoffee.com, other than a shout out, you don't receive anything in exchange. So I have decided to create these. These are spray painted art, different planets, different galaxies, different themes. And the idea is that I will have this on my web shop, which you can purchase for 15 euros plus shipping. And on my web shop, you can decide the 2 colors you want the planets to be. And everything else will be my artist freedom. These are stretched canvases, and they're pretty sturdy, and they don't flimsy, okay? And all I'm saying is shipping worldwide, the furthest would cost you about $7-8, worst case scenario, okay? It's very light, it's easy to ship, it's small, so I can put it in an envelope with a cardboard front and a cardboard back, and just avoid punctures and shit like that. And I will sign it, and I put a personal message here in the back for you. Every single order is going to be one of a kind and unique, and they're going to cost 15 euros, and they're going to be available on my web shop. And the dude is checking out my motorbike, and I don't like it when they do that. Sorry, I got distracted again. Where was I? Yes, so instead of begging for money and asking for support. From now on in my videos, I will show you my web shop and I tell you to go on my web shop if you want to support me and buy something from me. Okay, you were able to buy for if you just want to support me, like you can buy these forever pistachios, $20, 4 of them in a package, and you can give them away if you want to. But now I'm gonna do these as well because you can order this for every occasion. You can order this for family members. Hell, you can have the entire collection. You know what I mean? You can have 4 pieces or whatever, you know. But this would be a very nice way to give back to you. I feel better about having a customer buying something from me than accepting free money. I am coming from a family. I'm coming from a family or I've been raised the way that I should not accept anything for free or anything. I should give something back. Doesn't matter what it is, but like if someone gives me a gift, I invite them for lunch or whatever. You know, like just I'm not happy with free stuff. Anyway, I like to be balanced. And that's why it hurt me really bad when someone told me I'm a beggar. I'm literally going around and asking for money. I don't want to do that. So if you want to support me, you can actually buy stuff from me. Now, second thing I wanted to talk to you about is the state of YouTube. As you can see, advertisements are back on my videos. I know about it, and it's deliberately happening. Basically, I lawyered up, and my lawyer is an attorney, and I wrote a message to someone at YouTube regarding legal document discrimination via AI and their AI system, and I threatened to go public. And I got an email a couple of days later from a person from YouTube, and he or she, I don't know actually, the person became my handler, as they say, and they personally went through the system and made sure that my papers are accepted. So that happened in the last 2 weeks, and my ID has been accepted. Now the next step is that I have to receive a letter or postcard through mail with a PIN code, and that I have to put in Google. Now we have 1 postman for the whole island, or 3 postmen for the whole island, and mail takes about a month or 2 later to get here than normal. It's an island. So I'm waiting for that to happen, and after that, once I prove my address that I live here, I will have to prove that my bank account belongs to me, and after that I can get paid for the stuff I do on YouTube. So far I made 55 euros on YouTube, which is not much, but if I can 10 times this, then I'm gonna be able to pay rent. And that was basically the whole goal with YouTube, that I can afford the rent of this space. Even if I don't get any customers, I can have this space and I don't get evicted. That was basically the whole goal. Anyways, that's what's what with YouTube. Adverts are going, yes, and money is ticking towards my channel. Not much. I get about $6 per 1,000 views, advert views, which is not a lot. I get like 500 to 700 views on my YouTube video altogether. So you can work with that. However, you know, everything starts small. I don't blame the system. I actually, I'm grateful because I never thought I'm gonna get even $1 from YouTube anyway. Yeah, so that's that. There was a third thing I wanted to talk about. Yeah, so the ways you can support the channel are the following. You can support it with buymeacoffee.com, but if you are at it, you might as well just buy something from my web shop, and get something in return. If you want to become a monthly supporter, like every month you want to buy me a coffee or send me $5, you can either buy something or you can become a subscriber. I don't want you to become like this monthly subscriber because it's weird and you forget about it and you come across a hard time and the website charges your card and then you realize you got charged and you don't want to. Dude, just come on my web shop, buy a picture a month, give it to someone you like, give it to someone you love, put it on the fire, whatever, just make me believe that I gave you something in return. That's one way you can support me. You can support me with watching the videos, sharing the videos, engaging in the videos, because more people come here, the more chance I get orders from the web shop. And that's basically my current situation. And I would like to ask you, please, 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 sound down in the comments. What do you think? Is this anything value? Is it all right if I do this? Are you happy with this? Isn't $15 too much? Is it not enough? Would you pay more, or would you ask for more or less? It's not a piece of paper, it's an actual picture frame. And, it has some substance to it, So that's why I didn't want to sell it, because I saw other people who do these arts and stuff. They do it for like 10, $20 a piece, but it's a paper and they roll it up. It's a frame, it's an actual frame. Anyway, yeah, let me know, guys. What do you think? Is this something you approve of, or is this something you hate? I don't want to do something that you would hate, because EBeggar is a community. It's more than just me talking. It's our home channel for the true speakers in the maker area, maker circles, whatever. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for all your support until now and in the future. I hope you got something out of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.